Hi, so today we'll see how we can make a photo collage on Microsoft Word to get it printed for our projects. Suppose I have to take a lot of pictures about pencil coloring and crayon coloring. So I've written pencil coloring here on Google and go to images, and from here I can download several pictures that I like to put on my project. This one is good. Copy it, put it on Word. Okay, see, the cursor is already blinking here. That means whatever we will paste it, here it will appear, it will start from here. You need to see, put an image, and you can see it is leaving out this much space on the left and as well as on the top and the right side. If I put another image and the page fills up, it will leave some gap in the bottom. That's due to these margins. Now I can either reduce the margin, here zoom it out so you can see it clearly. I can either reduce the margins like this, so it covers the entire page, or I can, instead of doing this, I have another easy way to fix this. Let me first resize the image. Okay, there is another thing that happens. I cannot place this image as I like anywhere else because it's right now in line with the text. So if I write something here, side like this. Now, if I want to put an image, I'll put it like this. It will appear again in line with the text. I don't want it in line with my text. So, what I can do is, I'll do a right click in the picture, and you can see the option wrap text here. You can select wrap text, and from this segment, I select behind the text. When I select behind the text, now this image is no longer in line with my text and I can move it around as I like. Now you can see I did not do anything to the margins, but I'm able to move my image as I like, freely all over the page. Now I think you've got the idea, but I'll still add a few more images to show you what I'm going to do now. Okay, this is a good one. Let me add again, you can see this image is overlapping the previous one because this is also in line with the text. So again, we do the same thing, wrap text, behind text. I can resize it as I like and I can put it over here. This is what I want for my project. Let me take a few more. Okay, this looks good. The pencil, again I can move it, the wrap text, behind text, and here I put it on like this. Alright, this one is beautiful. Copy, okay, this is a small one. I can resize it to bigger one. And there's one interesting thing that I can do. Instead of pasting all of these horizontally, I can use this green color mark. If you can see it over here, there's a green mark here. That's actually to rotate the image. So you just have to click and drag it around as you like. So yeah, you can rotate it anywhere. I just wanted to be more to detail. So I can fit it over here in this blank space. Okay. So now I've got something extra here. I've got a nice idea that I can try. You see, I have this kind of soil pencils. So what I'm going to do is, let me see a good one that I can use. Okay, this looks great. I think this one is better. I think just have the side of the page, like it can work as a border. So I'm copying it. I'll paste it over suppose I do not want all of the pencil to look, I just want this half, but I can do this, I can make another copy of it, and I can send it behind the text, and I can place it over here somewhere. So this creates a nice border for me. For my project, I can cut this as a ribbon and attach it to this. Another thing that I can do is, um, now that all my page is ready, I still have some place over here. Okay, I also wanted some pictures for crayon coloring. Let me download those two as well. Okay, here I have some really good pictures of black and white and maybe some color ones. Okay, yes, this looks pretty amazing. Quite nostalgic. Alright, here I have it. Again, I'll send it behind the text and I'll paste it over here. So you can see all my page area has been utilized. This is by default an A4 size page that Microsoft document gives you. Okay. Now if I want some text to be printed, I want to stick it. So here I have the insert option for word art. Either I can use this. Many of you already know about this. Uh, I'm taking this. I'll just write here coloring, and this also can add effects to it as I like. So I like this effect, and I want to give it some kind of something. Alright, so now I'll just do a right click again, and here again I'll click on behind the text. So the moment I do this, I am able to move this also anywhere I like. Here I have this, move it around, the shading is of course not looking good. You can move it with the arrow keys in your keyboard also. Those are much more convenient. Let me change the color. I'm not using it. Just have to double click on it and it will open it in the editing. This is beautiful. Obviously, we are talking about coloring. And here it is. So, my photo collage is ready with all the photos I wanted to paste in my project. I'm just going to file, menu, click on print, and here, this is my collage. Now I just have to cut these out and paste it in my project. I can click on the print button, select my printer. This is an easy process, you know. So I'm not going to explain this one. I just wanted to explain you how you can create a photo collage in Microsoft Word by downloading pictures from Google. So you can paste it in your project and use the entire space in your A4 size paper. No, and no, that's good. So you can just let me just do a quick revision of this. So you click on the image, do a right click, go to wrap text, select behind text, and then move the image wherever you feel like. Thank you so much for watching this video. For any questions, please